Hello friends, today we are going to unbox the Galaxy Buds FE, which is ordered on Amazon on the Great Indian Festivals. So I got it for 6,000, which is a good discount as it's listed on 10,000 rupees product, but I got it for 6,000, which is very good. And I got a missed chance of ordering a pro model, which was also in 7,500 range. So I just ordered it a graphite version. This is not a graphite one because the outer case is the similar in both of the Buds FE, which is a white one and a black one in the box. So in the outer box will be similar, white casing, ceramic look finish. So let's get into what is inside the box. So you get a user manual, your buds, then you get some extra ear tips, and you will get a type C charger, both and type C chargers inside the box. So there is another extra ring type of rubber bud which is given for an extra better grip if you want to use in this special design. Otherwise you will get a normal ear tips of depending upon your size and shape of your ear, you can use it. And you will get the type C charger, which is very convenient, and you can use it for your regular charger or type C charger for Samsung devices. So let's get back to the original product. So we can here see the original product, which is a white case, and inside it there will be the black buds. And if you order a white one, you will get a white buds and white case. So inside the box you will get the earbuds, which is having a 30-hour of overall backup with the buds. With the simple buds you will get 6 hours of normal uses with ANC, and 9 hours without ANC, and 21 hours with the case with ANC, and 30 hours overall without ANC. So we will get a better performance from these buds, better than the previous models of Buds 2, Buds Pro 2 series. We will get a better battery backup for this model, right? So case is very much similar, but the inside the buds the design has been changed, so in that case you will not fit with the other buds for sure. And case is very good. You can see these are the components which I get inside the box, and let's take a good look at the box always. And whenever you open or close the buds, you will get a opening notification from your Galaxy devices. So how to connect the earbuds? Open your buds, open the lid of the case, and then check the Bluetooth devices that are available nearby. You will get a notification of a Galaxy Buds FE. Then it will try to pair with the device, and you will get a notification of downloading some softwares. There will be some softwares that will Samsung provide you. Whenever there is any kind of update, please check the update the app and the buds with the latest softwares in the Galaxy Wear app, right? So after updatation, which is a 21 MB update, you will get the latest version of the softwares that will be used for the Galaxy Buds FE. Then we'll just directly go to the Wear application. It will take just a little bit of time. Check all of the agreements, so whatever it is asking for you, just allow it. Then it will go directly to the Wear app, Samsung Wear. If you are having it, then that is convenient for you. So we'll get the active noise cancellations and ambient sound modes here. Always check the fit of your Galaxy Buds, how to clean it, how to manage it. The notifications are there. In the special settings, we'll get a gaming mode, which will reduce the latency of your data transfer between the buds and the phone. So in that case you will be getting a quick response of your Galaxy Buds while playing a game or else. And always register your products, Galaxy products, inside the Galaxy Members app, where you can also diagnose the devices which are brought from original official websites. And for all other settings, you can just check the other settings, the earbuds labs. This is the seamless feature of the Galaxy Buds FE. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it.